Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Capricorn. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, guys, and this is for your career circumstance. Today I'll be picking one card for your moon energies, guys. This is the card, and one card for your love guidance. So we will leave it here. We will see what are these cards as we proceed into the reading, guys. And Capricorn, if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal readings in Fiverr, guys. So if you are interested, you can contact her. I'll be sharing her link in the description, guys. You can check it out if you are interested. And if you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys, Capricorn. So let's start with these cards for your general energies first. We have Ace of Pentacles in reverse, Sun, Judgment in reverse. So with these cards in your circumstances, maybe in your work situation or maybe in your relationship, for some of you, you are making some important choices. Maybe some work choices regarding some projects or whatever path you need to choose for yourself, or it may be some important decisions in your relationship, whether you want to move towards marriage, commitment, or if this person has proposed marriage to you, what is the answer you want to give them, whether you want to move towards that commitment or not. So some important decisions are there to be made in your circumstances, and you are thinking about it deeply, guys. And whatever it may be, Capricorn, whatever your circumstances are in your work, maybe you may see some difficulties in doing things the way you expect, because people are not like you, people are not talented enough like you, or skilled like you, or devoted like you in your circumstances. Same way in this relationship, you may feel that this person is quite different, and the way they handle any circumstance is different, and that may be the reason for some troubles in this relationship, and you feel that you need to do everything and they are not being responsible and they are not interested to make any decision, and you feel that you need to do everything for them in this connection. But whatever the situation may be, guys, Capricorn, your circumstances are definitely changing. Things are taking a positive turn. Whatever you may see till now is changing from today, and great changes can be expected from now onwards, guys, in your circumstances. So for your relationship, we picked one card, and it is Eight of Pentacles in reverse. So maybe in this relationship, maybe this person is not showing in this showing interest in you, or showing interest in this relationship, because they may have some distractions. So it may be some habits they have, or it may be another person. So they are not being responsible like you guys. That is what we were speaking about even with the previous cards. That was the energy we saw, guys. So they are not like you. That may be the reason for things not going the exact way as planned. And their ideas and their vision may be different. So let's see what is the card for your career circumstance, guys. Capricorn, we picked one card and it is King of Wands in reverse. So even in your work situation, guys, you may see some changes. Some changes coming towards you. Maybe there may be some projects you were working on that may get delayed or suspended, but some better projects may come for you, or whatever decisions you believed in that may not work out just as planned, guys, in your career circumstances. So some confusion or some difficulties may be there, but you need to understand that these difficulties are not something permanent. All these circumstances are definitely changing very soon, guys, for you all, Capricorn. So for your love guidance, we picked one card. Let's see what it is. Your commitment is being tested. Such an apt card for you all, guys. So for your moon energies, we have this card. So it just means that what you will do or how far you will go today. So whatever choices you have made or decisions you have made, you need to, have that perseverance, confidence in yourself. And whether you believe completely in your choices, if you do that, you will see success, you will see the desired outcome today. Whether you will go the distance for your dreams, hold on, have that grit and courage to hold on to your vision, hold on to your dreams. And if you feel that you are doing things the right way, taking action for achieving all those dreams, you are going to taste success very soon, guys. And this card also means that you need to put in more effort. Same way in your relationship, if you love this person, are you ready to do anything for this person? Whether you are committed, whether you can recommit, think again within yourself and go for this relationship. Try to win over their love. Are you ready for that? That is what this card is asking you today, guys. So you must think it through. Think through your circumstances and things will fall into place, and you are halfway there. You just need some more efforts and you're going to see great changes in your circumstances today, Capricorn. So for your love guidance, we picked one card and it says spontaneity. So with this card, it just means that if we need to change ourselves, if we need to move towards that emotional and spiritual growth, we need to give up all limitations, and limitations are self-imposed, guys. We should not forget that. And we feel safe and secure when we follow a particular routine, doing things by the book. So whatever we feel comfortable in, But you need to understand that if you constantly do the things the same way, you are going to feel really bored and you will not learn anything. So you should not let fear hold you back in any circumstances. So today you may have some kind of intuition or something you may feel really passionate about. You must take up those activities, align your activities according to what you feel deep down in your heart of hearts. And don't let fear hold you back from experiencing something new, something better, which will make you so happy, which will make your heart sing. So you should go for those choices which you are really passionate about, guys, Capricorn. And you should not let your fear or some kind of fear of future hold you back when you feel really passionate about something you need to do today. So that is the energy with these cards, guys, Capricorn. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.